Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install MariaDB on Windows 11 operating system. So first here in Google search box right there, MariaDB, they go on this MariaDB org site. So let's click this site. Then you need to click on this download button. There, scroll down. Then you can see this is the latest version or see it rolling. So let's use the rolling, because this is recommended. And now you can use this MariaDB on Windows machine. Here you can see Windows, Linux, you can get there. This here, MSI file, zip file, or zip file only debug. Three option is MSI, that's fine. After that, simply need to click on this download. So here you can see MariaDB 12 version 64-bit operating system MSI file is now downloading. The size is 81 MB is the size. Now after downloading, let's click on this MSI file. Then okay, let's minimize this. Let's come there. Let's click on next. Here I accept. Then next, next. Here modify root password. If you want to modify, then you can do this. So let's give there. Or if you want, then you can enable access remote machine for root. That's all fine looking here. So data directory, this location, data directory is there. Now let's click on this next. From this place, install as server and server MariaDB, TCP IP, this. So if I open this place, workbench. So MySQL workbench is now. So it has only, so the port 3306 is the port is there. So here you can see MySQL has 3306. Now let's log in with. So MySQL already taken there is port. So that I'm going to give their unique port. Let's give their 3307. Now after that, this all looking fine. Click on this next and now click on this install button. So the completed MariaDB 12 version, that's done. Thereafter, click on this finish. Then after, what you need to do? So let's search here MariaDB, this place. Then you can get here command prompt MariaDB, MySQL command prompt. You can click anyone that's use their command prompt MariaDB. So this you can get this here. Or if you let's search this place MariaDB once again. So MariaDB, this is what the command MySQL client MariaDB. So this come there. Let's give this password. So this is it's like connected there. Now thereafter, let's use the query. So databases. Then you can see this all database stats come there. Now let's use the Adam. Sorry, Adam is not there. Let's use this. And thereafter, writing the query, select start from this. Now select, not select here. Let's use there. So tables. So databases, so tables. So this all tables that's percent here. Okay. After that, you can write any kind of query this place, and you can connect ID such as HDSQL or HDSQL or Kitty Weaver, Navigate. Then you can perform any kind of query there.